Hi, Ashwin. Just taking an extension, like about the thoughts control of the narrative. There are people, there are ex-cricketers from 80s or 90s. They have their own set of agendas. They speak what they feel like. But does it hurt when there is a Yuvraj Singh with whom you have shared the dressing room? He can just pick up a call and speak to you, but the way they say 800 wickets, 1500 wickets, saying things based on probably hypothetical calculations, does it hurt you? Because these are people who have played with you. They were in the part of the dressing room. They're not like a fan on the street when they comment like that.
Okay. Look, the reason behind my tweets were definitely not in context with anybody in particular. And when I read Uipa's tweet, I actually didn't get affected at all, to be honest, because I didn't find like he was, telling us anything or trying to suggest or anything. It just felt like a really, really plain tweet of saying these people were good and whatever, however you want to perceive it. But for me, the state of mind I am in right now, I didn't find it to be, anything wrong or anything, what to say, an agenda driven or nothing like that. I know Uvipa for a very, very long time and I have the utmost respect for him. But with respect to your agenda driven thoughts and all that, this is exactly what my tweets were meaning. Some of us or some people amongst us tend to buy the stuff that people sell. And I do not know the reason behind why certain people sell certain things, but it's clear. It's just a perception of what happens, and for me, I want to protect, or at least I want to try and put it out there that people who know me or who watching me talk at least realize that without their knowledge, they are actually being hypnotized to believing what they are buying.
We'll take a couple of more questions from Indian press and then move to UK press. Harith Joshi and Gaurav Gupta.
Hi Ashwin, congrats on the landmark.
Thank you.
You think this has been your best phase ever? In terms of contributing with the ball and bat, and wherever different phases of the match.
I would probably say this is probably one of the best phases in terms of the awareness I have about my own skill, what I need to be doing at different phases of the game, the ability to execute what I would like to think. Sometimes you want to execute something, but you're not there. You're quite off the mark by a little few, centimeters or inches, which make a massive difference in this sport. So it's a contribution of a lot of things. I can't put my finger and say this is why it is happening. The awareness of the game, the understanding of the game, things that I pick up, small cues that I watch. All these things are just coming together, and I'm very, very blessed and thankful for the fact that it's coming together at this point of time. And I'd like to continue and stick the sort of work that I've put in through the lockdown for the next whatever years I will have left ahead of me.
Yes, Gaurav Gupta.
Yeah, congratulations, Ashwin, for your wonderful feat.
Thanks,
what I wanted to ask you was that having just achieved this landmark in a test match, which finishes like this, and then there's so much controversy around the pitch. Do you feel hurt that
now what is
attention
this?
Gets, sorry.
What is this? I didn't get your this.
What I'm trying to say
Yeah.
is that you've just achieved such a big landmark,
Mm.
and then there's this talk around the pitch.
Mm.
So does that sort of hurt you that the focus is taken away from the player's performance and his feet? Whether it's you or Akshar, and all the talk is about the pitch rather than the skills of the players. So do you sort of feel sort of disturbed by that it's at the end of the day it's a contest between batter and ball which should be talked about?
I'm absolutely not disturbed with things being taken away from the context, because this is what's been happening for the last decade, and if not more. And that is why I put out the tweets that I did yesterday. I think people need to get the context of what's happening here. There have been some people who messaged me and said match is finished in 2 days, and what about all the 3 pink ball test matches that we've played? Everything is ended within 3 day time, and I do not want to know what to say, because when somebody just throws an opinion out there about a surface, and having had played the game, unfortunately, maybe they have not played the pink ball test matches, so they do not understand this facet of the game. But I would say my angst against the whole thing is the fact that when people say something, there are so many other people who are watching the same picture, but are not able to paint a different one compared to somebody who is driving a certain case and selling a certain case to us, and this needs to stop.